welcome back to another one of my videos. You guys already know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be mobbing around in the beams. The beams was overheating in the last video that I posted, and that was just like 2 days ago, but it's doing okay now. I talked to Gustavo, my mechanic, and he told me not to really bother about it too much and just add some distilled water. So that's what I did. I was just a little bit low on the coolant, but yeah, it's been helping that a little bit. So yeah, we're still going to just be go have some fun in my E92 BMW and just see what roads it takes us and just go have some fun. I'm just exploring Arizona, really. If you guys don't know, most of you guys do. I live out here in Arizona and it gets really hot, and we're at the beginning of June right now and it's not too bad. It's just reaching a little to the hundreds, and usually during this time of year it gets to like 110, so we're doing okay. And that's probably why my BMW was overheating the other day, just because it got so warm. I'm definitely going to be checking out the temps while I'm driving today, so then nothing goes wrong and the temps don't get too hot. But yeah, guys, let's go hit the road and let's go get it. Temps are running good, guys, but it keeps jumping like I said. And look at these ridiculous speed bumps that they put in this parking garage. Damn, there's a spider on that one. That's what the thing's calling. Alright guys, let's get out of here before we get in trouble. What's good, bro? Doing good. Do you want to get a pull for my video? A quick stock. Is this stock? You saw it too? No. Oh. That was the exhaust they put on. They put that license plate. Oh, okay, right on. Yeah, I got the MHD tune. This thing, like. What? I want to go stage 1 because like I don't have any cold on yet. They said it's a pretty big difference. Oh, huge difference, bro. MHD is where it's at. It's only like a couple $100, like $200. Yeah. I mean, I can try. Yeah, just do a pull. I'm not gonna do it. I just want to hear your car. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's that? SteezyJ. Oh yeah, bro. Appreciate it. Yo, shout out to the new homie, bro. Fuck, it's bumpy right there. You guys just saw all those roads I just found. I'm definitely going to be going back there. I have so much adrenaline right now. Man, I love this car. It's so much fun. And when I just go for it and just launch it, dude, the back end always just goes out. I fucking love it. Anyways, guys, we're going to be going to this other spot that I know of. It's kind of by the mountains, and it's going to be kind of like another mountain run. So we're going to go have some fun. I can't wait to show you guys when we get there, so let's run it up. Temps are still running pretty good. It keeps jumping from 203 down to 199, but we're almost there to the mountains, guys, and we're gonna go have some fun. Temps are kind of jumping up there right now. It's at 203, but I don't know why the hell it keeps doing this, but we're still gonna go have some fun. Dang, guys, like I said, I've been here before and it looks like they shut down this road. They have the gates down there closed and they're usually open. And that's exactly where I was planning on going. We're right there by the mountains. But yeah, there's a trail down over here. I don't know why they blocked this off, so I guess we're just gonna go hit the back roads. So I think I just found another entrance, but I'm not too sure. So we're gonna go take a look at it. I was just following this other car, and they look like they're about to go on a hike, so I'm just following them. They had like a mountain bike on the straps on the top, so I'm pretty sure this is the right way. We're right there by the mountain. Guys, check out these houses right here. They're literally pyramids. This shit is so trippy. But yeah, we definitely made it to the hiking spot. You see that lady yell at me? The van's getting it. I'm not playing. It is hot as hell out right now. I brought the beams out here. I was planning on going to one of these mountains and just vlogging that, walking up there, but it's way too hot. I'm wearing a black t-shirt, and this was just like a last minute plan, so I thought I would take you guys out here. But usually there's this trail that goes all the way up to the mountain over there that I go to, go hike at, go smoke, go chill. But yeah, it's just way too hot right now. So yeah, guys, that ruins my plan, so we're just gonna go hit the roads again. Go have some more fun. Alright guys, let's fucking get it. Pull up and burn rubber. We're back on the road, guys. Those mountain runs were so much fun. Those roads, you can just go forever, I swear. Damn. On the road right now, I didn't know these long 3-lane open roads were here. This would be a good spot to like street race or something, race some people. Because this road goes on for like at least 3 or 4 miles. Guys, check this out. I'm pretty sure this is a Gladiator, the brand new Jeeps. Pretty sure Stradman has this. Damn, that thing is sick. So guys, you already know where I'm at. Yup, some good old Chick-fil-A. Gonna give me a chicken sandwich, and we're actually gonna be mobbing over to Brian's house again. I was just there in like 2 videos ago. So you guys are gonna see Brian again. We're gonna probably play some Fortnite, kick it a little, and probably just go mob around. I think we're actually gonna plan on taking his M3 and then my 335i and going to go get some car washes, because mine is filthy, and then especially that I took it around by the mountain, there was just so many dirt and rocks, so I definitely want to get this thing cleaned before the weekend. And it's currently Thursday, for you guys are aware, so I need to get it cleaned for the weekend. Tomorrow gotta be mobbing, looking clean, looking fresh. Yeah. Oh, look how nice Brian is. Open his garage for me. Yo, what's goody?
Fresh out the bed.
Brian just woke up. Bro, we need to go wash the cars. Mine's so dirty right now too. I was telling him I'm never parking right over there again.
Yo, you want to get that on the gram?
What?
Oh, of course. Dude parks in the driveway every day now.
What a bitch. Look who decided to show up. What's goody?
Good player.
What's up, Louie? What's up, Louie? Alright guys, we're in Brian's right now. You know I gotta show you guys the food. Got that chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. Got my ranch on there. And yeah, we're just gonna munch and then probably play some Fortnite and just kick it. Alright guys, we got pro gamer Vorty.
Oh my god.
No, damn, you just got blasted, bro.
Let's combat shot.
Dude. Damn, he's going off. Louie. Get him, Moose. Oh. We're making some pizza. I'm gonna be sipping on that good 1942 Crown Royal and the straw. Whoa! Y'all guys made. You get a size 2, Louie, right? What, Louie? So the plan was Brian and Damien both come with me to the car wash, but it looks like I'm doing a solo car wash sesh because they did not want to come with. They backed out at the last second, so we're gonna wash the beams like I said, because I'm not backing down. I need to get this dirty slut washed. Guys, we got our quarters, brand new microfiber towels. Let's go ahead Get this washed.
Bitch so bad with the snake skin. Bitch so bad with the snake skin. Hey, blunt on me, face it. This shit wasn't lace, bitch. Hop up in a spaceship. This is on some weight shit. I want a bitch to get free. Whoa, I made shit look easy. Shawty don't see me on TV. You gotta pay, there ain't no freebies. I got a Glock, came with a 50. No, that bitch came with a Curtis. I ain't that nigga, I'm feeling for certain. I'm in the building, I'm closing the curtains. Hey, look, bitch.
Alright guys, the beams is all clean, ready for the weekend. I had to make sure I had to dry it down fast because it's so hot out right now. So I had my microfiber towels and I was just trying to dry real fast. But yeah guys. If there's any other water spots, whenever I get back to my place, I just take a microfiber towel so there's no water spots running down. But yeah. Alright guys, today's rest of the plans, I'm going to go back to my place and edit this video because tonight's my boy's 22nd birthday. Happy birthday to you, Harley. We're going to be going out to Osaka with all the homies and we're going to be doing a whole bunch of sake bombs, so I'm not going to have any time later tonight to edit this video, and I really want to have this video out for you guys tomorrow. So I might take you guys to dinner tonight so you guys get to see a little bit about that, but I don't know. We'll see what happens guys, but I'll see you guys there. Oh, I'm gonna get out for you. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's get it, Tom. Oh. Let's go, Tom. Oh. Tom. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.